Sick of that buzzing noise? Check out these top tinnitus tips. There used to be time when silence was really silent for you. However, things changed and now you have this constant ringing in the ear. It just keeps buzzing and interrupting your day. The following video will give you some good advice to help you with living with that buzzing, which is otherwise known as tinnitus. One tip for managing tinnitus is to visit the dentist and get evaluated for dental problems. Have the dentist check for temporomandibular jaw syndrome and discuss treatments with you if it is needed. If you wear dentures, have the dentist check that they fit you properly. Correcting dental problems may help reduce tinnitus. Bring up your tinnitus to your doctor at your next yearly physical exam and ask to be referred to an ear, nose, and throat specialist. An ENT can look into the cause of your tinnitus, which is vital, if you are going to find a way to treat it. Make a calm bedtime routine each night. Many people with tinnitus have trouble falling asleep, or staying asleep. Having a routine during bedtime could aid in minimizing this problem. Try doing some light stretching exercises, followed by several minutes of deep breathing before getting into bed. This will help you relax and keep your blood pressure low. Get a white noise machine. While you obviously can't carry this around with you wherever you go, using it when you can, will help reduce the amount of ringing that you hear. One ideal time to use the machine is when you are sleeping. It can have the added benefit of canceling out other noises in your home that might wake you up. You do not have to let that buzzing noise continue to bother you. As the video states, there are things that you can do to help you with it. Whether it is something that will help lower the volume of the noise or something that will help you adjust to hearing it, the suggestions listed will make a difference in your life. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.